In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type first in Canva. If you're creating graphics and want to add ordinal numbers in a professional way, this guide will walk you through making the ST in first a superscript, giving your design a polished look. Let's get started, and within just a few minutes you'll have a great looking text element. First, open Canva and enter the project where you want to add your text. The initial step is to click on the text button in the toolbar on the left hand side. This action will provide you with text options you can add to your design. Finding and using this button is essential because it's your gateway to adding any letter or number onto your canvas. Once you've clicked the text button, you'll want to add a new text box. Simply click on Add a Text Box and you will see a new text element appear on your design, ready to be customized. This is where you'll enter the number 1 along with the letters ST to create the ordinal number first. After adding your text box, type first directly into it. You might be tempted to format the letters right away, but hold off for a moment. This initial typing sets the stage for everything else. Next, we'll duplicate this text. To do this, click on the text box you've just created and choose duplicate from the options that appear, effectively creating an identical text element that you can modify separately. This is crucial because we'll separate the ST from the number 1 in just a moment. Now that the text is duplicated, you'll want to edit the second text box by typing only the ST into it. This isolates the letters, which is important because these letters will soon be shifted into a superscript position, giving it that typical smaller raised look. Jump back to your original text box now and erase the ST so that only the number 1 remains. This quick edit simplifies your first text box, making it ready to align with the now isolated ST in the second box. Drag the second text box containing ST and place it above the number 1. You'll need to eyeball this for alignment, ensuring the ST looks properly positioned above the 1, mimicking the conventional superscript style. With both text boxes still selected, take a moment to highlight the text. You'll want to click and drag over both text boxes to ensure they're both highlighted for the next step. Finally, head over to the top toolbar where you'll click on the group option. By grouping these text boxes, you secure their alignment as one cohesive text element. Now wherever you move or resize them on your design, they remain connected. That concludes today's tutorial on how to type first in Canva. By following these easy steps, you've added an advanced yet simple text feature in your design toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy designing.